Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about Science Journal by Google. Awesome way to turn your smartphone or tablet into a tool for science labs. Um, this web-based version is a little limited. It actually works best on your phone or tablet, but there are free experiments on the web page that teachers can open up, that anybody can open up, students can go to, even if they're not in the class, they just like doing science experiments, and you can get an idea of what you can do out of the classroom. For teachers, like you can see in here, it's linked to Google Classroom, so you can take it, upload these experiments into Google Classroom, and students can use their devices to run experiments. There's all sorts of different experiments. A lot of them are based off of sensors on your phone. So as you can see, if you look through here, you can change the level in which you teach. Right now it's set to advanced, but you can take that off, and then you're going to get a lot of different experiments actually. So getting started with light, it'll actually use, like it says, the ambient light sensor in your phone or your iPad, just to see if you wanted to test something like amounts of light that plants get. You could use this sensor. You can run that test for all your classes during the day, and just see how much light is within a given area within a day, and then test it for a week and a month and so forth. Just simple little experiments, but if you want to get outside of the classroom and just do more labs, it's a great way to incorporate these. For physics class, it's actually really good because a lot of these are physical science experiments, but it doesn't matter. You can just incorporate labs just to get kids involved in any science is great. So using or getting started with motion, you can use the phone. Um, it sounds scary, but you can drop the phone, move the phone quickly, just to test how fast the phone accelerates. Sound, you can test decibel levels, pitch, those types of things, timing. A lot of cool free sensors that just come already embedded in your smartphone. So it's easy. This experiments are already set up for you, and then eventually, if you get into higher level, you can see that there are a lot of other things that you can do with these labs. The one thing that becomes a little problematic if you want to get into some of the more advanced labs, you have to have a little more equipment and technology, so it starts getting a little more expensive. But a lot of them are usually around $50 or less. So it's not anything too crazy, but if you want the free ones, they're pretty simplistic and they're going to stay within reason and be on your phone. But there's a lot of other sensors that you can purchase through other scientific companies, and they all will link into this science journal. And then once again, all of these experiments can be sent into Google Classroom. So it's a really great way for teachers to just incorporate more labs into the classes, get students involved, uh, get them outside, all sorts of different things, just to get them active instead of just sitting in class and lecturing or PowerPoint, stuff like that. So to get kids more hands-on, this is just a great way to get started. Um, there's apps on Android devices, Apple devices, and then like I said, we'll use the sensors that are already built into your device just for simple little fun experiments for all levels. So great resource for teachers, especially and more importantly students to utilize in the classroom and outside of the classroom as well. So give it a try and good luck.